I just wanna feed my family, and I just wanna feed my family. I just wanna feed my family, and I just wanna feed my family.
Sisonke magenge nami ngikhule nganayo baba, sonke magenge nami ngiyalala ngingadlanga, sonke magenge wangishiya nami bengimthanda noma ngenayo imali ngakhala solo ngiyathandaza, nami ngiyafisa ukuphila lempilo I pray for, ngene bank ngishayelwe moya I check the prayer roll, fonela uma ithi ma ngihlangame airport, fonele no sister eze ngemoto shaya iconvoy, yeah, that's the thing. Indwana yami khule fresh, kufunze body school man and ngisendele check like hey indwana thenga PlayStation nama snacks, kukhona labanye bantwana labangena next, kokwakuthi umuntu ngumuntu ngabantu and icala kuhlakanipha ntwana kuhlonipha abantu, hey bantu abaphumeleli kungenxa yebantu and bantu bayafa lana kungenxa yebantu.
I'ma give you what you want, I don't care, I'ma grind and let a nigga waste some time. I don't wanna waste some time, hey. Life's so hard sometimes, just get the money, don't be broke, hey. I'm not the king of the game, but I'm the king of my own life. Can you show me where's the throne? I just wanna feed my family, and 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 I just wanna feed my family.
Man, thina besivuka ekuseni kubanda, sivuke sophanda, bayabuza ebusuku solala ngecanda, babuza sikhule kanjani ingane ezingenayo baba, saphusha saphanda impilo zoyinqoba, umdali ohlale nathi siyakhuleka mara sola kwenzeki nix, ubaba wangishiya nalo mhlaba umele empini, ngithi inhliziyo duduzeka silonda thobeka ukukhala kuzokusiza.
I just wanna feed my family, and I just wanna feed my family. I just wanna feed my family, and I just wanna feed my family.
I just wanna feed my family. Never gone broke, never stay down, yeah. Took the bread and I came back, yeah. I hope you see the good in me. I swear that life ain't the same without you. It's getting tough, but I don't care. I'ma keep on grinding, buying pops a new house, taking care of sisters, taking care of brothers. I just wanna feed my family. I just wanna feed my family.